Hi there, welcome to the National Bowling Academy. I'm Erik Vermilyea, and today I've got a quick tip for you regarding axis rotation, and more importantly, what it is and how to practice it. So axis rotation in a nutshell is simply how much side rotation your bowling ball has. If it's a more end over end direct one, very minimal axis rotation, we'll call that right around 0 degrees of rotation. On the opposite side, maximum axis rotation will be at 90 degrees, a lot of side rotation. If you can kind of picture Pete Weber throwing the bowling ball, the king of axis rotation. And then kind of right in the middle is about a 45 degree average amount of side rotation. Easy way to practice it for you. It's important to kind of know A, what your normal axis rotation is, and then be able to have a release that's a little bit less axis rotation, and then one that's a little bit more axis rotation. This will give you more tools to work with in your bowling tournaments. They're a little bit different on league night, give you a few more options to still line up and throw a strike. Really easy way to practice this is to either grab a softball or a football, simply hold them in your hands and practice throwing a few shots, just kind of up in the air to yourself with a 0, a 45, or a 90, and get a feel for what the different rotations would look like. Again, same thing, just kind of up the back of it, end over end would be 0, all the way on the sides 90, and kind of right in the middle is a 45 degree. This is a real easy way for you to take stuff you might have laying around the house and be able to just kind of look at it and understand that, maybe my normal release looks right around here. Here's how I would create a little bit more end over end rotation. Here's how I would create a little bit more side rotation, and then get on the lanes and practice it. Throw a few normal shots, try to throw a few more end over end up the back, a few more further around the side of it, see what kind of different ball reactions you can create, take it to the lanes, and knock down some more pins.